Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It's just amazing. You know what I mean? It's coming up to Christmas, and you know what I mean, I'm sure a lot of fans and what they can do their Christmas beef, their Christmas turkey, their Christmas also their Christmas, you know what I mean, fried chicken, and also Christmas curry goat, stew chicken, well, you name it. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how you can marinate some curry goat at your home, guys. Fantastic recipe, and I know you will love it. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. There's a 50% on my cookbook this Christmas. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo as I show you how to marinate your stew, your curry goat at home, or your mutton. Enjoy. Lovely and nice. So basically, I just wash off some goat meat right here, and I'm gonna show you how you can marinate that even for Christmas. And you use it for your own purpose at home this Christmas also. I must say that, you know what I mean, I just get it from the butcher, and it's just really clean, fresh, and nice. As you can see, it is in the bowl. This is some goat meat, and I'm gonna show you how you can marinate it. Some people call it mutton. So basically, if you go to your shop, your supermarket, or wherever you buy your meat, you can buy roughly a nice kilo or a pound of, you know what I mean, goat meat cut up very small, and you know, ready for cooking. Anyway, first thing, you need to marinate. This the most important thing. Right here I have some fresh thyme, which I'm going to be using, and I'm going to pop some fresh thyme in it just like this. Again, just put everything in it, the root and everything, just to get the freshness of the thyme with the root. So you're gonna bring a lovely flavor towards it, guys. Yeah. I must say to you, to be honest, I have a lot of garlic right here. This is my garlic, which you can see I have like almost 10 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to be using. The reason why I'm using so much garlic, because the garlic gonna make it cook a little bit more quicker and faster, and the garlic gonna bring a lovely flavor to it. So I'm gonna just chuck the garlic straight inside of it. No need to cut up or fine, because it's gonna automatically crush in it once you're mixing up the meat when it goes along. Right here I have half of a white onion, which I'm going to be cutting up also to put in it. These are some natural seasoning which we're going to use in Australia. Got 2 spring onion, which we're gonna also use in it, just to get the flavor in the curry goat. Nice one. As you can see, fantastic already. Then basically we're going to put some olive oil or your vegetable oil, roughly about 2 tablespoons. Also, I have some all-purpose season. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon. And a tablespoon of everyday season. It's almost the same, but you know, different style, different ways. I got some mild curry powder, which I've been using. So 1 spoon. I'm just gonna be using 2 tablespoons of the curry powder, the mild curry powder, tablespoon. Little bit of black pepper. And make sure you put on the gloves, and then all you need to do is rub up your goat meat like this. And I want to say you can do the same way you can do your goat meat for Christmas, and put it down for it to soak from early. But the only thing I'm using a mild curry powder at the moment. I like to use the other one, the strong one, but sometimes I don't too much like the strong curry. It just stain up everywhere. So sometimes I just use the mild one and just marinate my goat with a lot of natural seasoning and put it on for it to soak. So that's it right here I'm talking about. So what you can do when you marinate your goat meat like this, to be honest guys, you can just marinate it and put it in your freezer and take it out whenever you like to take it out. And also look at that, beautiful and nice. So I know you guys will like this one. Really fantastic guys, look at that. That's it right there. Very easy and simple to prepare at home. Once I have a lot of garlic and a lot of season, natural season, that's the key. So basically I'm just gonna pop this into a sealed container and I'm gonna pop it in my freezer. And if you want me to cook it early, this can use for a Christmas idea. You can also write it below and say, Chef Ricardo, show me how to cook your curry mutton for this Christmas, and I will show you. Alright guys, thank you so much. This is just how to marinate it, but thank you so much for watching my show, and I appreciate every one of you guys who will leave in the comments and also subscribe to the channel. So please write it below if you'd like me to cook it, and I will definitely cook it and show you how it will come out lovely and nice for Christmas. Alright, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Google+, and there's a 50% off my cookbook this Christmas. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo and see you next time. Bye bye.